Nothing kills your confidence faster than a bad skin, especially acne skin. You woke up, walked to the mirror, and before you could even wash your face, you're already in the mood. There is this acne staring right back at you. That angry red spot that show up overnight like it pays rent. That painful acne that comes unannounced. But today, we are done suffering in silence because I am going to hand you a complete scientifically proven routine that is going to change everything for your skin. I've recommended this product for clients and it worked for them. I'm not just going to show you product like every other skincare content creator. I am going to guide you step by step on how to layer this product to get results, tested and trusted. Hi, healthy skin gang. You're welcome back to my space. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to understand your acne better than you ever have. And you're going to know exactly what to do about it. Let's get right into it. Before we get into the product and the exact way to use the product to permanently clear your acne, I would like to talk about something that a lot of skincare video skip entirely: the emotional weight of acne on your skin. You are not alone and your concerns are valid. Your skin is the first thing the world sees, and it's your face. And in a world where we are constantly seen on cameras, on screens, on social media, having that recurring acne or acne that have refused to heal feels like punishment, and it can affect your mental health too. People around us even make the situation worse with some silly suggestions like just drink water, it will clear, stop eating junk food, you're stressing yourself, that's why you have acne. Have you tried washing your face the right way? As if you haven't tried, as if this is something you're doing to yourself on purpose. I want to say this clearly. Acne is a medical condition. It is not hygiene problem. It is not a moral failure. And you are not less beautiful, less worthy, or less deserving of love because of what is happening on your skin. What you deserve is real information and real plan. And that's exactly what we're about to get into. But before that, let me explain what is actually happening to your skin. Your skin has millions of pores. Each pore is connected to a hair follicle, and inside that follicle are sebaceous glands, oil producing glands. Their job is actually a good one. They produce sebum, which keep your skin moisturized and protected. The problem starts when a few things go wrong at the same time. First, too much oil. Hormones, especially androgens like testosterone, signal your sebaceous gland to produce more sebum than your skin actually needs. This is why acne tends to flare during puberty, your menstrual cycle, pregnancy, or times of high stress. Your hormones are literally talking to your oil glands. Second, dead skin cells don't shade properly. Normally, your skin shades dead skin cells continuously, but when the process gets disrupted, which can happen due to genetics, hormonal changes, or certain skin habits, those dead skin mix with the excess oil and starts clogging your pores. Thirdly, the bacteria moves in. Your skin naturally houses a bacteria called Cutibacterium acnes, formerly known as P. acnes. In small amounts, it is harmless, but inside clogged pore, it's a feeding frenzy. The bacteria multiplies and your immune system sends inflammatory cells to fight it. That's the redness, swelling, and pain you feel on your skin. Then you start noticing whiteheads, blackheads, cystic acne, and so on. Now, different types of acne respond to different treatments. This is why that face wash that you've been using for long isn't doing anything for your acne. You need actives that target the root causes of excess oil, clogged pore, bacteria, and inflammation. And that is exactly what our routine today is going to do for your skin. Hormones, genetics, diet, stress, wrong skincare products, and so on can trigger your acne. So even while we are talking about how to permanently heal your acne, you should also be careful of the triggers that can multiply the acne. Okay, now that we understand the enemy, let's build weapons. Product number one, let's start with the big one, the one that dermatologists have prescribed over 50 years, the one that has more clinical evidence behind it than almost any other skincare ingredient in existence. I'm talking about tretinoin. Tretinoin is a retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, and it works on acne through multiple mechanisms simultaneously, which is why it is very powerful. What does tretinoin do for your skin? First, it dramatically speeds up your skin cell turnover. Remember how clog pores form when dead skin cells pile up? Tretinoin essentially forces your skin to shed those cells faster, keeping your pore clear before they even have the chance to clog. Second, it reduces the thickness of skin cell inside your pore. This means cells are less likely to clump together and block the follicle. Third, it has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm existing breakouts. Fourth, and this is the bonus, it is one of the most proven anti-aging ingredients in existence. It stimulates collagen production, reduces fine lines, fade pigmentation, improves skin texture. You're treating your acne and investing on skin future at the same time. Here is a catch. Tretinoin comes with what is called purge. In the first 4 to 12 weeks of using tretinoin, your skin may get worse before it even get better. More breakouts, more dryness, more peeling. This is not your product failing you. This is your skin speeding up your skin cell turnover and purging everything that was trapped inside your pore. Push through with the product, it is worth it. Tretinoin also make your skin significantly more sensitive to the sun, which is why it's used at night only. And SPF in the morning is non-negotiable. How do you use your tretinoin? Start slow. 1 to 2 nights weekly is enough for a beginner. A peanut size amount is what you're going to start with. Apply it on a complete dry skin. Wait for at least 10 to 20 minutes before you moisturize the skin. You can use sandwich method as a beginner where you moisturize first, apply tretinoin, then moisturize again. This is going to help reduce irritation. As your skin builds tolerance, you can now increase to every night as your skin can tolerate it. The second product for today is benzoyl peroxide, the bacteria killer. If tretinoin is a long game strategist, benzoyl peroxide is the immediate responder, the one you call when something needs to be handled now. What does it do? Benzoyl peroxide works by releasing oxygen directly into the pore. And here's the thing about C. acnes. The acne-causing bacteria, it's anaerobic. It cannot survive in the presence of oxygen. So benzoyl peroxide essentially suffocates it on contact. It also has mild keratolytic properties, meaning it helps break down the protein structure of the dead skin cells that clog your pores. Unlike antibiotics, bacteria cannot develop resistance to benzoyl peroxide, which is a huge advantage for long-term use. Benzoyl peroxide comes in 2.5%, 5%, and 10% concentrations. Higher doesn't always mean better. 2.5% is often just as effective as 10%, but significantly less irritating. So start with 2.5 or 5% as a beginner. Important warning, benzoyl peroxide bleaches fabric. It will bleach your pillowcase, your towel, your shirts. Use white towels and white pillowcases while using benzoyl peroxide. The ingredient can be quite drying and irritating, so use it strategically, not on the same night as tretinoin. How do you use your benzoyl peroxide? Use as spot treatment or a thin layer on acne-prone areas on your alternate nights, not your tretinoin night. Apply after cleansing and before moisturizer. The third product we'll be talking about is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is the underdog, the one that doesn't get the enough credits. And I am personally on a mission to change that. Azelaic acid is a naturally occurring acid found in grains like wheat, like barley. It's gentle enough in sensitive skin and even safe during pregnancy, which tells you a lot about how much it can be tolerated on the skin. What does it do? It's a multitasker on most impressive way. One, it kills acne-causing bacteria, making it gentle but effective antibacterial agents. Two, it reduces inflammation, helping to calm down active breakouts. Three, it inhibits an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is involved in melanin production. This means it actively fades post-acne dark spots and hyperpigmentation for deeper skin tones, especially. This is incredibly valuable because that post-acne inflammatory hyperpigmentation can sometimes feel worse than the acne itself. Four, it helps with rosacea. So if your skin has redness beyond just acne, azelaic acid is also addressing it while it is targeting your acne. How do you use azelaic acid? Azelaic acid can be used morning and night. It pairs beautifully well with other active and is generally well tolerated. The product number 4 you need is this 147 Dr. Althea Barrier Cream. Now we shift gears, and this is where so many acne routines fall apart, the barrier care. People think because they have oily, acne-prone skin, they don't need moisturizer. Wrong. Completely wrong. And this mindset is actually making your acne worse. When your skin barrier is compromised from actives, from cleansing, from environmental stress, your skin panics. And what does it do when it panics? It produces more oil to compensate. More oil means more clogged pores. More clogged pores means more acne. You see the cycle. 147 Barrier Cream is designed specifically to repair and reinforce your skin barrier without clogging your pores. What does it do on your skin? It contains ceramides, which are lipid molecules that naturally make up a significant part of your skin barrier. When you strip your skin, you deplete ceramides. This cream replenishes them, essentially rebuilding the wall that protects the skin from bacteria, pollution, irritants, and moisture loss. It also contains niacinamide, which regulates sebum production, reduces redness, and help with hyperpigmentation. It's doing double duty, repairing your barrier and actively working on your acne concerns. This formula is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores and has a texture that is rich enough to be effective, but not so heavy that it can sit on your skin. How do you use this on your skin? This is your final step in the evening routine. After your active has been applied and absorbed, you seal everything in with this cream. It protects your skin while all those powerful ingredients work overnight. The number 5 product we'll be needing here is this Purito Panthenol Barrier Serum. If 147 barrier cream is the wall, the Purito Panthenol Barrier Serum is the foundation you lay before you build that wall. This serum is centered around panthenol, also known as provitamin B5, and it is one of the most skin-friendly ingredients that has ever existed. What does it do? Panthenol is a humectant and an emollient, which means it both draws water into the skin and helps seal it in. It draws water and sealing the water. It penetrates deeply into your skin layer, providing hydration that isn't just sitting on the surface. More importantly, for acne-prone skin, Panthenol is deeply calming and healing. When your skin is raw, irritated, and inflamed from breakouts or from actives that you've used on your skin, Panthenol soothes the inflammation and accelerates the skin natural healing process. It also helps to maintain the skin natural elasticity, which is important if you've been dealing with acne for a long time. So you need something that's going to work on your skin texture and help repair and fix your skin. This Purito formula is minimalist, free of fragrance and common irritants, making it perfect for reactive, sensitive, acne-prone skin. How do you use this serum? Apply this after cleansing and before actives. It creates a calming, hydrated base that makes everything that comes after more effective and less irritating. This serum is your skin best friend on active night when you're using Tretinoin and Benzoyl Peroxide. Then the number 6 product, which is the last product you'll be needing in this routine, is your sunscreen. I know you've heard 1,000 times that sunscreen is very important, but let me explain it in the context of acne specifically, because I think that context changes everything. When acne heals, it's always leave behind post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the dark marks, the discoloration, the lingering memory of every pimple you've ever had. And UV radiation is the number one thing that makes those marks darker or even last longer on your skin. You can use all the tretinoin, all the azelaic acid, all the niacinamide in the world. And if you're not using enough SPF to protect your skin every morning and every time you go under the sun, you're just undoing all the process. Additionally, if you're using tretinoin, your skin is more sensitive than usual. UV damages occur more easily and more intensely. SPF is not optional when you're on tretinoin. It is non-negotiable. Nivea sunscreen particularly is great because it offers broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection in a formula that is lightweight, widely tolerated, and affordable. Use your sunscreen every morning, last step in your morning routine. Apply generously. Most people use too little sunscreen that can't even protect their skin enough. 2-finger line is the actual amount of sunscreen you should apply. This, especially when you're going outdoors, make sure you reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. Now that we know the product to use and what they do individually, let's put it all together. I've built a routine for both morning and night just for you. Let's start with your tretinoin night. Use your tretinoin once weekly as a beginner for the first 1 month, and then you can adjust to either 2 or 3 nights weekly as your skin can carry. Here is the routine. Step 1. Cleanse with a gentle and mild cleanser, something not stripping, something with neutral pH. This is going to remove dirt and buildup without destroying your skin barrier. Then pat dry. Step 2. Purito Panthenol Barrier Serum. Apply a thin layer all over your face. This hydrates and calms your skin before the actives come in, reducing irritation without blocking their effectiveness. Step 3. Your 147 Barrier Cream. This is the product that makes tretinoin livable. It prevents the flaking, tightness, and the peeling effects that comes with using tretinoin. Step 4. Apply peanut amounts of your tretinoin. This tiny amount covers your whole face. Avoid the eye area and the corners to your mouth. Be very gentle, don't rub aggressively. Step 5. Wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Let it absorb properly. Don't layer too quickly. Step 6. Reapply your 147 barrier cream to seal in everything. Apply generously one more time. This will help protect your skin and prevent irritation that comes with using tretinoin. And that is it for the tretinoin nights. Then for the other night you're not using tretinoin, this is going to be your routine. Step 1. Benzoyl Peroxide wash. Use this Panoxide facial wash which contains benzoyl peroxide. On a wet face, lather this wash on your face and allow it to sit for 30 to 60 seconds before you rinse it off. This is going to allow the treatment to penetrate into your skin and do exactly what it's supposed to do. Step 2, Purito Panthenol Barrier Serum always. This is your foundation. Step 3, Azelaic acid. Apply this all over your face or on the targeted areas where you have acne or hyperpigmentation. This is working on bacteria and inflammation and dark mark while your skin has a more gentle night. Step 4, 147 Barrier Cream. This is going to help lock in hydration, repair your barrier, and let your skin have that overnight healing. Be very generous when applying this. Then let's talk about your morning routine. Step 1, Gentle Cleanser. You're going to use something that is very gentle and mild on your face that is only going to get rid of dirt and product residuals on your face without stripping your skin. Step 2, your Purito Panthenol Barrier Serum. A thin layer is enough. It is going to give you that hydrated, calming effect in the morning. Step 3, 147 Barrier Cream is very important. A light layer to moisturize and protect your skin barrier while also building that healthy skin base. Then step 4, you need that Nivea sunscreen. This is going to be your last step every morning. It is going to give your skin that maximum UVA and UVB protection. So before I let you go, let me give you a few critical things to keep in mind as you're using this product to avoid mistakes. First, introduce new products at a time. Don't start Tretinoin, Benzoyl Peroxide, and Azelaic acid all in the same week. Your skin will riot. Start with Azelaic acid for 2 weeks, then you introduce Tretinoin slowly, and then you can just adjust as your skin allows it. Don't skip moisturizer because you're oily skin. I've said this before, but I'll say it again because it is very important. All skin people need moisture. When you skip moisturizer, your skin is going to produce excess oil to make up for the oil or the moisture your skin lacks. Use your barrier serum and barrier cream and trust the process. The purge is real once you introduce Tretinoin. Do not panic. So when you introduce Tretinoin in your routine, there's every tendency that you may possibly purge. So this is something you have to know before you even start the process. Be consistent. Skincare is not a one-week fix. It's commitment. Result is going to come, but you have to be very consistent, showing up for your skin morning and night. Do not touch your face because you're going to transfer bacteria from your hands back to your face and you undo everything you've been trying to fix. Change your pillowcase frequently, at least twice in a week. Your pillowcase collects oil, it collects bacteria and dead skin cells. Sleeping on dirty pillowcase night after night is going to pass on everything you're trying to get rid of back into your skin. Less is more in skincare. You do not need 15 products. You need the right product. Use consistently. What I've given you today is completely what you need in order to heal your skin. It covers cleansing, active treatment, barrier repair, sun protection. That is everything you need to fix your skin. I want to end this video by saying something that I hope you actually hear. Your skin does not define your worth. Although I understand how uncomfortable acne can make your skin feel, but with consistency, you're going to get that clear, beautiful skin you desire. This routine is not magic. It is not a miracle. It's science applied consistently with patience and self-compassion. And it works, not overnight, but it works. I can hit my full chest. I want you to start tonight. Pick up any of these products, either Azelaic acid, barrier cream, your sunscreen, your Tretinoin, your Benzoyl Peroxide. Start from somewhere. Just start small. You're going to get there. I would like us to have a chat. What is that one skin issue that has stolen your confidence over the years? Drop it in the comment section. I am going to do a video addressing that and guiding you on how to go about it. I read every single comment and I respond as well. You're not alone in this. This community, this is a little corner of the internet, is a place where we talk about things honestly. If this video helped you in any way, if it gave you an information you didn't have before, or made you feel less alone, please share this video with someone who needs it. A friend who is struggling, your younger sibling, your co-worker. Just send it to someone that needs this information to help their skin. Sharing this information is going to genuinely change someone's skin. It is going to improve someone's self-confidence. And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button and join this community that you can trust, that give you the honest tip that's going to help your skin. Just note, your skin is very healable. You just needed the right map, and now you have it. I'll see you in my next video. You have a beautiful day. Bye.